How to apply Drez-V vaginal gel. Step 1. Wash hands thoroughly with warm soapy water and dry them with a clean towel. Step 2. Take out the applicator and Drez-V gel from the pack. Step 3. Remove the cap from Drez-V gel and attach the applicator in its place and screw it tight. Step 4. Squeeze the tube from the bottom to fill the Drez-V gel into the applicator and pull back the plunger till the cylinder is filled to the mark. Always squeeze the tube from the bottom to allow easy filling. Unscrew the filled applicator from the tube and close the tube with the cap. Step 5. Lie on the back, knees raised, legs slightly apart and bent towards belly. Step 6. Hold the filled applicator by the cylinder and gently insert the applicator into the vagina as deeply as possible. Press the plunger completely to empty the contents of the applicator. With the plunger still depressed, remove the applicator from the vagina, holding it by the cylinder. Step 7. Discard the applicator after use. Use a fresh applicator for each use.